I'm going to the beach, so I'm finna take you guys with me. So yeah, we just going by the beach. This beach is really beautiful. When we get there, you'll see. So yeah, I'm currently at the beach. We're going this way. Walking to the beach. Listen, this view is everything. This view is life. But the view is life. This is actually the first time I'm ever reaching this far on this bridge because this ain't about that life. So yeah, I'm crossing the bridge. It's shaking a lot, but I reached the end. Yeah, I'm here. So we're gonna take some pictures. He's still up. Because it moves. So I'm currently out of the water and it's really cold now. So yeah. So, hey guys, today I'm just gonna do some room cleaning. I'm gonna clean my closet because my closet be good until I have to find an outfit to go somewhere and everything gone wild. So that's what we're gonna do today.
So me a rain day, one girl to me and day. Now, funny blood in my day. This bad man here scared no spray. I am way up. I like the 4th of July. From a pretty girl roll up, shooting me shot like Hawaii. One more girl me out, yeah. Number don't lie, yeah. One more time take me down, yeah. Number don't lie. One more time respect me out, yeah. Number don't lie. Just one give me pussy on the first day. You know me don't lie.
Lifestyle services, me full of me, like send me out. Some girl from me must be pussy give away. I will be up than a holiday. I don't shake into happy. So, we're over by what's the name? I forget the name, Bougainville, like something like that. But I really do like over here. I don't know why. I just don't like it. How much time we came here? Huh? Like 3 times before. Like 3 times, and the food was the food was so I don't like it, but oh well. We're gonna see if they improve. This is all food.
Think twice, say she want the long ride. Ready to on the black bike, body on so nice. Mommy bring her in my life. Let me show you what the street like. Yeah, this is the real life. Then she tell me what she feel like. She miss the only that the beehive. The girl say she love bad man. What she feeling girl on it, because a rich man busy girl work so she get better money. She falling. So me girl, why you make me sit on the first day? You know me don't lie. I'm gonna reminisce on the back as Man, I got in here. Gratitude is a must.
that's where I'm gonna end this vlog for today. It's a bit confusing, but oh well. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms at The Real OG Bree. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.